The idea of a flat Earth, it's sort of a myth. In a sense, because anybody who lives near the ocean and has sailing ships knows the Earth is not flat. You watch ships come in and you know. So, you see a little tiny ship, and then the tiny ship gets bigger as it gets closer. But that's not how it happens. As the ship comes around the curvature of the Earth, you start seeing the top of the mast. It's still far away, but as it comes around the curvature of the Earth, you see more of the mast. Then you see the ship's hull, and then the ship starts to get bigger when it's relatively close to you. This is because of the curvature of the Earth. Do you know how far your horizon is? If I dug a hole and put you in the hole up to your eyes, and the ground around you is perfectly flat, the horizon is 3 miles away. As a matter of fact, if you get out of the hole and you're standing up, your horizon is a little further away. The higher you are above the ground, the further around the Earth's curvature you can see. If you go really high, the flat horizon will give way to the curvature of the Earth. The people who live near the oceans, they knew the Earth was not flat. So where did this idea of a flat Earth come from? I don't know. Maybe superstitions from the Middle Ages? But that's what you probably learned from studying that time in history. There were a lot of stories about sea monsters. Some say that you might fall off the edge of the Earth. Why would people tell you that? Maybe to keep you from traveling. Maybe as a way to control what you think or what are acceptable questions to ask. They might say, don't go on that boat. You're going to fall off the edge. Okay, I'll stay home, you say. Some people didn't listen to those stories. They went anyway. Even if the Earth was flat, they'd still go. In the long run, that's a good thing for humanity, I guess. Some of us are explorers and move forward in spite of our fears, and make remarkable discoveries as a result. Learn more interesting stuff in Professor Iadavaya's Astronomy 101. Interesting stuff everyone should know. Available on Amazon.